Hey everyone. Generating an admin access token for a Shopify store is a multi-step security handshake known as OAuth. This process ensures that your app or extension has specific authorized permissions to access a store's data without exposing sensitive credentials. Step 1. Open Settings. We are starting with the main admin settings. We do this because all high-level permissions and back-end configurations are centralized here for security. Look at the bottom left corner of your Shopify dashboard and click the Settings gear icon. Step 2. Access apps and sales channels. Now we're moving to the App Management area. We do this to see the full list of installed software and the gateway to developer tools. From the left-hand sidebar in the Settings window, click on Apps and Sales Channels. This page lists everything currently connected to your store. Look for the button that says Develop Apps, which is usually located at the top right of the list. Step 3. The Search Bar Shortcut. If you ever find yourself lost in the menus, we're using the Shopify Global Search. We do this because the admin search in 2026 is predictive and can jump you directly into deep settings pages. Click Command-K for Mac or Control-K for Windows, or simply click the search bar at the very top of the screen. As soon as you start typing app development, Shopify doesn't just look for those words in your orders or products, it looks at action commands. It recognizes that you are trying to reach the custom app area. Click the result that leads to the app development dashboard, which bypasses the need to click through multiple sidebar menus and takes you straight to where you can create your private API credentials. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.